Let's begin with breaking news coming in on the Mumbai hit and run in which a Shinde Sena Neta's son is the main accused and is currently absconding. As far as the investigation goes, the police now are looking into whether the accused Mihir, who was behind the wheels, was drunk during the mishap. Now, India Today's access CCTV images, which you see on your screens there, from a bar in Juhu of Mumbai. The main accused, 24-year-old Mihir, 4 of his friends partied till 1:40 in the morning. Now, what we're hearing is that Mihir's friends consumed beer and they paid a bill of about 18,000 rupees. There's still no clarity on whether Mihir himself also consumed alcohol or not. The bar owner at this point maintains that the main accused, Mihir Shah, didn't consume alcohol, but his friends did. But the cops still haven't ruled it out. They're looking into that particular angle as well. But let's play out for you what the bar owner said about the accused, Mihir Shah, being there till late last night. And then at about 1:40 a.m. he left. At 5 a.m. is when he rammed into this couple, killing one.
11:08 को ये 4 लोगों का ग्रुप आया था. वो लोग बैठे थे, वो लोग ने खाना खाया, ड्रिंक किया एंड 11:14 को बिल पेमेंट खत्म कर दिया था. 11:26 को देवर आउट ऑफ द प्रीमाइसेस. ठीक है, जो लड़का मिहिर बोला जा रहा है उसने ड्रिंक भी नहीं किया है. ठीक है, वो डिटेल्स सीसीटीवी में पुलिस भी चेक कर रही है, उनके पास सारी डिटेल्स है और हमारे यहाँ से कोई इसका लेना देना नहीं.
So you heard there from the owner of the bar in which the main accused, Mihir, and his friends were till about 1:40 a.m., which is when you see the Mercedes there leaving. After that, Mihir gets into his BMW car and then rammed into this couple from behind. He was clearly speeding, and we will get you those CCTV images as well very, very soon. Dipesh Tripathi is joining us from Mumbai with more details on this. Dipesh, the investigation now is underway. Just piece together the exact sequence of events for us. We have CCTV footage from about 1:40 a.m. We understand that the hit and run took place at about 5 a.m.
Yes, Akshata, the sequence is that yesterday Mihir with his other 3 friends, he went to the Juhu bar and the table was reserved for Mihir and they drank 1 beer over there, and after they left from there at 1:40. Now police is trying to find out from 1:40 to 5 p.m. Mihir where was, and right now police is also in search of Mihir, because right now Mihir is underground. Police is in search of Mihir and they have detained his father. Police is questioning Mihir's girlfriend that where can Mihir be. And right now 5 teams of the police have been formed to search the Mihir. Also they were taking the help of Mumbai cyber cell to try to locate the location of the Mihir. When Mihir left the Juhu bar at 1:40, he came to Worli at around 5 a.m. and he dashed the couple who were going by a bike. So now police is trying to also find out where was Mihir in those 3 hours from 1:40 to 5 p.m. because from Juhu to Worli the distance is hardly of 15 to 20 minutes in night, especially when there is no traffic.
When he's
so
changed
where
cars
was Mihir
also,
at
you see
that
him with
time?
his friends in the Mercedes. He then shifted to a white BMW where he was driving, and that's when the accident took place. So the cops still getting those details together. Dipesh, thanks very much for getting us the latest on the investigation. As Dipesh tells us, 5 teams formed now just to go ahead and find out exactly where this main accused Mihir is.